Welcome everybody to the cooking show with Molly and Daddy. We've got a big show in store for you guys. We can't wait to get started. But before we do, let's just talk about some business. What business should we tell the people today, Molly?
To subscribe and turn on all the notifications and comment what we should do next.
That's right. We love when you guys are following us and commenting. Speaking of commenting, Molly, we have had a subscriber who's been commenting a lot on our videos lately. So why don't we give him a shout out? Shibum! Yeah, that's right. Shibum's been leaving us a lot of comments. So thank you, Shibum. Keep the comments coming. It's good to hear from our fans. Also, in addition to comments, and guys, you could be commenting on YouTube. Where else can they comment?
Facebook.
On our Facebook page, that's right. And you can even send in pictures to our Facebook page. Like, you know who sent in a picture for us?
Ellie.
That's right. Our good friend Ellie sent in a picture. A couple episodes ago, we did sandwiches. And one of our fans, Ellie, loves sandwiches so much. She wanted to show us a picture because she wanted to be the first kid to eat and make a sandwich in outer space. So she sent in this picture of her munching on her good old sandwich that she made in outer space. So, man, that's really out of this world. Speaking of out of this world, we have an out of this world meal for us today. Molly, tell the people what we are doing today.
We're gonna make pancakes and do it out of art. Like we take pictures of something and then we try to draw it.
That's right. I know you guys who have been big fans of the show are saying, wait a second, Molly and Daddy, you've done pancakes before. But like Molly said, this time we are doing pancake art. We're going to make some awesome pictures. In fact, myself, Molly, and Brooke, who's going to be joining us in just a second, we all picked a picture. We're all going to make the picture. So you're going to see 3 different pictures made by 3 different people. So we're going to see a total of 9 pancakes today. It's going to be flippin' fun. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. But before we get started, I want to make one more shout out. We told Shibum. We said hi to Ellie. I gotta say hi to one more person. I gotta give a shout out to Jagan. All right. I'm sporting my shirt today. You know, Daddy always wears his college T-shirts. Well, this T-shirt right here is from a former student of mine, Jagan. He's been up to some great things. This is actually his T-shirt. He's a former student of mine since leaving my classroom. He's been up to amazing things. When he got to high school, he won the New Jersey High School Player of the Year in basketball, leading his team to a state title. And he graduated as the valedictorian of his high school. Speaking of academics, once he got to college, he was on the Big East All-Academic team. And in his senior year, he won the Big East Sportsmanship Award. He's now playing professional ball over in Turkey. Talk about coming full circle. When he was in my class, he learned about Turkey, Byzantine Empire, Constantinople, and now he's playing ball there. If you would like some Jagan merchandise, you can certainly check out the link below and get yourself some Heart of a Lion Jagan merchandise. So pretty cool, right, Molly? Mm-hmm. All right, so we're going to get started. Oh, but before we get started, wait a second, Molly. I feel like you have a joke for the people, don't you? Mm-hmm. What is your joke of the episode?
Why didn't the waffle want to go to the pancake party?
Why didn't the waffle want to go to the pancake party?
Because he was square.
Because that's a good one. I like that one. All right, that's a good one. Well, listen, we'll be right back, and we're going to start showing you guys some pancake art. That was really good. So we made our pancake batter, right?
Yeah.
Pretty easy. We just opened regular old pancake batter. Put a little bit of water in. I gotta tell you, what was the messiest part?
Putting the dough in.
Yeah, putting the batter into these bottles a little bit difficult, but then we just put a little bit. What do we do inside the bottles? Yeah, we put some food coloring into each of the bottles. Now we have our batter ready to go. Now, we have each decided to pick one image and all three of us are gonna try to create all three images. So, Molly, it's your show. What image are you going to have all three of us create?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. So Molly is gonna have all three of us create a unicorn.
The emoji unicorn.
Okay. Brooke, what have you chosen for us to create?
Baby goblin.
Baby Goblin, otherwise known as
Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. And Daddy has selected the Superman logo. So those are gonna be the three paint. We're each gonna do all three images, and we're gonna see how they turn out. But before we get going, we're gonna make our pancakes using like a griddle.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know of anyone else who makes pancakes, Molly?
Mommy.
Mommy. What about some animals?
How do you think a panda makes pancakes?
How does a panda make pancakes? I don't know, Brooke. Do you know how does a panda make pancakes?
I don't know.
I don't know either, Molly.
A panda. Panda.
Duh.
Okay.
Nice.
Knock,
Okay.
knock.
Oh, you have a joke. Go ahead. Who is there?
Pancake. Pancake who? Pancake, he wanted to meet Waffle at the party today.
All right. So Molly's up first. She's gonna. We'll take turns. But Molly, why don't we'll do the unicorn first?
Yay!
All right. So here we go. It's time for some pancake art.
Yep.
Just gotta do it.
I like it.
You came up.
all our pancakes. Yep.
Yep. So each of us made a baby Yoda, a unicorn, and Superman. All right, here's Brooks right up in front. These are Brooks, as you can see right there.
These are mine.
Very nice.
Baby Goblin, Unicorn, and Superhero.
All right, and Daddy went a little overboard. He made his a little big here. All right, but we've got the unicorn, the Superman, and the baby Yoda. All right, and we've been nibbling as we've gone, so I think they taste as good as they look. But I gotta tell you, this was a lot of fun. What do you think?
It was super duper fun.
Now, is it hard work?
Yes.
It is. It is definitely a little bit of hard work. If you are one of Molly's fans, around Molly's age, you need to make sure you do this with mom or dad's, because it's very difficult. The flipping is not easy, but the flipping is the fun. When you flip it over and you finally get to see what your pancakes look like, that's definitely the most fun part of it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Brooke, did you have fun with this?
Mm-hmm.
We sure did. All right, so that's it for this episode of the Cooking Show with Molly and Daddy.
Wait.
Molly, yes?
We have to eat one of ours.
You want to eat them right now in front of the camera?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Brooke, why don't you go with your Rogue Superman design there?
No, I want to go with the baby
Okay.
goblin.
Baby Goblin. All right, Molly's going to take a little bite of hers. I'll go with the Superman.
I'm going to
Say cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, we all went with our own design. How appropriate.
Oh, this is angry.
If you guys decide to do your own type of art, what should they do?
They should take a picture of it and send it to us.
Absolutely. Take a picture of your artwork, send it to us, and we'll give you a shout out on the next show. Oh, you're super yummy. I can't stop. Brooke.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we say for now, pancake makers?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, your pancakes. Bye. I can get enough for this. This is awesome.
Ways to get some easy baskets.
Jacob Mosley, you don't want any of this smoke from here.